Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to crop images perfectly in PhotoDirector. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to crop the photos. Initially, what you need to do is simply click on edit right now. Once you do, all you guys need to do is select a photo of your choice. For instance, I'm gonna select one photo at random. Let's say I have selected this photo right here. Now I want to crop it. Though there are lots of features available, we're only gonna focus on how to crop. Right here next to mosaic, you will see a button like this that is crop. Simply click on it. Now from here, you can change the perspective as well. But right now, let's only look at how to crop and rotate. And guys, this is it. From here, you can flip horizontally or vertically. It's up to you. You can crop custom, square, and all these different aspect ratio. Simply crop the image right now. As you can see, I am doing it. And once everything is okay, simply hit on the tick button at the bottom right. And guys, that is it. That is how you crop an image perfectly in PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.